like paint.
Whose car is this?
All of ours.
God damn.
Old Acura.
Let me write my name on it.
What'd you say? I said don't kiss me, bitch.
Dude, let me write my name on it.
Moon Knight, right? Moon Knight. I won't put your name on it. Well, no, never mind. You guys should leave it. We'll all put our names on it.
Okay. Very fun this week.
Is it on? Yeah. If this runs out, we'll try more things. Dude, look at Trevor. He looks like a crackhead. Enzo. Oh, Montana. Get in front of the rules. Yeah, I think we should draw a bullseye right there. Yeah, that's one. Right on top. Yeah, for the cats to pee on.
Draw a penis.
You're shit kicking this car. God damn it! Hey. I mean, Trevor, you just completely covered up the moon rule. I need this for a second. Hold on, I'm done yet. I need to color Enzo. Nate, do a cowboy style on top. On top. Lasso that bitch. Bullseye, right?
Oh, yeah. Roll my skateboard.
Bullseye. Nate, dog, go get my skate out of the car, please. Shit here. Yes. Shit her. Shit her. Where's Nate going? ¿Qué pasa, Enzo? Who did that?
Film that.
Good. Hey, watch my jack. That's a nice jack, bitches.
Holy crap, man.
Yeah! Hook it up, Enzo. I'm calling next. It's going! Then we gotta do the back window now. Wait! Wait! Kickflip
Plexiglass.
Never film this. Kickflip in the roof. Do it, Enzo! Wait, I'm gonna... Wait, dude, I want to tag my dad, too. Oh, I believe Canada Club should get wrote somewhere on here. Dude, put a Canadian flag. Dude. Brady, put a Canadian flag like right here, man. Wait, I need to...
Hey, you gotta get it, dude.
Good night.
Ready?
No, how do you zoom on this biatch? Oh,
Dude, you get it?
let's do this, Enzo.
Kick that shit out of
What's up?
there. Anyone get that shit?
Yeah!
Ready?
Hey, Enzo!
Enzo, you got the Metallica Montana on there? Yeah!
Angelo, you don't want to spend any more quality time with us?
Come on! Oh, nice. We'll try again.
Oh, Canada Club.
You gotta put the flag on there, man. Enzo, videotape is about to fucking kick in the window, man.
Wait.
Wait. Let me see the camera.
Wait, let me hit it with my deck first.
Let me see the camera. Oh, dude, your hand's bleeding.
I know. This one, right?
Got your blood on that shit, man.
Alright, Nate. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Kung Fu Master.
What?
I don't want to do that.
You want to steal a car? Just call him Nate, man. Dude, I never knew I could do that. I never knew that. That's the first time.
Hey, Trevor, don't fucking step on this. I'm trying to open the...
It's cause I didn't key up the first time. The first time I didn't key up enough, so you know. Moon rolls.
Alright, number 1. Enzo, where do you connect this to like a PC or something, dude? I want to put this on the
Here, guys. Wait, film this.
Oh shit!
got
I'm getting
this?
off for this, man.
What? Oh, damn.
You got it?
Yeah.
Rage.
Enzo.
I need offense.
Enzo, take this right now. I'm letting you. Amber, come on.
Get out,
Amber.
Look out.